Welcome back, YouTube subscribers. This is the Auto Idiot, and my name is Tom. I wanted to give you guys an overview of the 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. I will attempt, and I say this lightly, I will attempt to restore. I know nothing about cars. I can't change oil, never even touched a spark plug, and yet here I am. From what I understand, I need to remove all fluids from this vehicle. Please let me know in the comments if that is correct. Also, this car is all original. I know I'm going to screw some of that up. There's nothing I can do about it, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. So any information, any resources, any constructive criticism is welcome. Please let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. Also, understand that this 4.5 liter V8 engine, I have no clue what it is, how it's set up, what I'm in for. I do know that there are electrical issues. I do know that the interior and exterior are completely original. I also know that this is probably not worth my time. However, I think it's going to be a great car. I think it's going to be a great YouTube setup. I think we're going to have a lot of fun, especially when I find my first spider and I scream like an 8-year-old little girl. Y'all be there for the ride. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, as I do plan on uploading on a weekly basis. Give me any pointers, any insight that you may have on this car or any other car. Honestly, I'm interested to hear on detailing, because let's face it, this car is nasty. On any links, any guides outside of Chilton, any fun car stories, post it all in the comments. I will try to get to them all. But honestly, guys, let's have fun. Let's get it done. And thank you for coming along with me on my journey. Without further ado, let's get it started.